The boiler requires the electricity to be turned on here. The switch should be showing red with 1 to be on. Green, confusingly, is off. The boiler should be running when you arrive. However, if it is not, the system to illuminate it involves opening the front and finding this button at the side. Press and hold this button to start the flame, the pilot light inside. You will be able to see it through this small red window. The fuel runs along the lines at the side, and both are required to be in good working order. Occasionally, when deliveries are made, this valve is knocked out of place and goes to the horizontal position, which will stop the flow of oil. Ensure it is in the upright position. When deliveries are made, be very careful to ensure that this cap does not slide down the side of the bund wall where you'll be stuffed. Normal operation involves these two switches. Confusingly, they are slightly opposite in their action. The white is for the central heating, and we press it on like so to the inverse position rather than the est. This is an Italian brand. The heating for the hot water, for some reason, is written in English, and we simply press it on. The hot water itself is stored in this tank within the machine. Hot water is held there, which will be sufficient for washing up and also to begin a bath or take a shower. However, when you do have a large amount of water used, it starts to produce it continually on demand. Please ensure that this switch, this valve, remains in the down position. Its purpose is to allow the radiators to be topped up and come up to the correct pressure when they have been out of use over the summer. You'll be able to read the pressure within the system using the two dials on the front. The one on the right tells you the temperature in the hot water tank. Please ensure before you do any readings for the pressure that the heat is on, that the actual water itself is up to a good temperature, such as 60 degrees. This can be regulated using this dial here for more or less heat. The pressure dial should ideally have the pointer between 1.5 and 2 bars of pressure. This will ensure that there's something for the pump to work with to get the water around the hot water system. However, if you have too much pressure, then the whole system comes to a standstill. Attached to the boiler, you will see the phone number for Monsieur Chanteau, who is an excellent heating engineer who does the annual service and has helped us with this machine for many years, and hopefully will you too. Thank you.